Oh, wala. Ciao ragazzi. Ah, urabi ba? Kagaming, pwede na na. Pritohon. Sugba.
Pangsugba lang.
Ha?
Pangsugba.
Ito, pangsugba. Wow.
I want to join one, but I don't know how.
You don't know how? Just try.
We just
Make bing with. Yeah. Ay. Only.
Ano?
Alala.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tol.
I'll be the one who record.
Yeah. You just hold it here, ha? Because it's don't move a lot, ha? Because it's not nice moving.
Kaya ako na ko.
I want to try. Ito meron ito.
Wala pa.
Ay, ito wala rin.
Ito, yan, meron.
Ito meron.
Wala pa ng pain.
Wala pang kukuha pa siya nung pain.
Grasshopper daw.
Grasshopper.
My hands are shaking violently. Maliit nga. Maliit. Too small. Kung if it's too small, release it back. Pero if it's big enough,
And it's moving, oh.
yeah, gapa labas nga ng air. My hands are shaking.
No, don't shake your hands.
No, my hands are shaking uncontrollably ba? Yung twitch.
Para. Where's the grasshopper? We need to look for the
Ouch,
grasshopper.
ouch.
Subay.
Sabay. Let me change positions muna. Kaya ikaw muna dito. Gukurog yung kamay ko. Yung kamay mo sa isa lang. Try rin ko.
Oh no! Grabe. There is so many subay here. We look for pain. Dapat yung pain natin is bulate lang. Yeah? Bulate doesn't work? Oh, yan! It's so big! Wow!
Big. Okay na yan.
Ah!
We have to find grasshoppers. That's mostly the bait muna kasi.
Oh my God.
Oh, be careful, it's hot. How do you say hot in Spanish again?
Ano, Italian? It's
Is it called?
caldo. Caldo.
Caldo. What's
Yeah. Hot.
what? Caldo!
Caldo.
Ouch.
It's hot.
Why are you not wearing
Wala
oh,
ta!
Ay, nakita siya. There. Si Kuya John Paul, meron pa siya. You have to insert it mostly head muna. Head muna. First muna yung head at saka insert mo yung whole body.
Yeah. Si Kuya Jola is looking for
Grasshoppers.
grasshopper.
Usually, yan yung main bait kasi dito eh. Grasshoppers. It's full of vitamins.
Where? Because
Yeah.
they eat only
Grass.
grass.
Yes, it's full of protein.
But it's okay also bulate.
Only earthworms, that's okay. But any type of worms, no. No, only earthworms.
Yeah.
Since only earthworms eat dug on the ground. And that's usually hard because they only come out when it's rainy season. I've seen a lot of balate in your ground, in the soil.
No, hindi makahanap si
Manjulay, no,
July, oh.
grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers, oh. Wait, ha.
You want?
Wait, ragazzi. I want to look for grasshopper.
Okay, let me help you then.
Oy!
Biglaan lang yun. Ay! No! Ayun, no. No, not me. Up. Okay,
Look
nagtumba.
at the camera.
No.
Okay, grasshopper is here.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, grasshopper.
Too small. Balikan mo muna.
Where?
Kuya John Paul cut.
Ay!
Naku yan.
Ay, yeah.
It's too big.
So,
Head muna.
From head.
From head
Yeah.
muna. Head. Ganyan. Head mo.
Head all the way down.
head.
It's
Or
hard.
yeah, I know. It's
Oh my God.
don't worry, I'm fine.
Paano ba?
Ganyan, pero make it straight. Yan, ganyan.
Okay.
Insert it to the head all the way to its body
Okay.
so that it can get a good grasp. Okay.
Ay, more?
Yeah, that's okay na. That's okay. That's
It's
okay.
okay na?
It's already dead.
Okay.
The only thing is it's supposed to be dead na.
May borrow slipper sa...
Here.
Yeah, kasi doon is init.
Oh my.
Just stay there in the...
I love the hot flipping sand.
Ada?
I love the hot.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Just right over there, mamame.
Over here?
Yeah, right over there. That's where mostly the fish is going out.
Here.
Yeah, right there. Just be careful not to fall down.
Okay.
Wait, I think usually yung ginaman ni Manang July, ginapukpok niya yung stone sa wood so that make ng sound. Ginapukpok mo, di ba?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Ano kay? When you feel something, it's pulling on the string, pull it out
Yeah.
immediately. When something's pulling on the string, pull it out immediately so
Okay.
that you can get it.
Yo.
Wala na bait kay Kuya John Paul. Wait lang.
It's only tilapia here.
Yeah. Oh, I saw those. They're so tiny. Ignore the tiny fishes. They won't do anything. Your main goal is only the big fish. The big ones, yeah. Very, very big.
Where are they na?
They're right over there.
They are not hungry, maybe.
No, they're hungry. Their mouth. It's right over there.
Yeah, over there.
Yeah, do you want to change?
Come, come,
Ana,
come.
ana.
Yeah?
Okay pa. Wala na, sige. Ay, wala pa.
Wala pa nga.
Dito dyan, pala, tampe.
Pull out mo na yung...
Ayun.
No.
I saw a small.
Yes, no, not small, not small. We're going for the big ones.
Okay.
We're going for the big
Come
ones.
here, big ones.
Ito na, ito na. Sige.
So small!
Nahulog.
Nahulog. It's too small, it's too small. Not worth it.
Wala nang pain.
Wala
Wala
na
na
pa.
pain. Ha? Ay, wala nga, chinilas ako. Anong ginagawa ko dito, bay?
Palpak, okay. We need to...
You go there next time. Your
Yeah.
location is right there next time.
kami kay John Michael.
Dito ako
Okay.
matulog sa imo.
Ragazzi.
Sargatsi.
Ciao, ciao, ragazzi. Okay.
Oh.
Almost. Wala, palpak. Nahulog yung ating isda. Oh.
But it's
John
too
Paul, we're
small.
waiting for John Paul na.
But it's too
Okay.
small.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.